What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm coming with you with a new video. Pretty excited about this one. We got a new bike. It's not a brand new bike, but it's a new to me. So right here, it's what it is, baby. 2004 WR250F. I got it for a really good deal. Sold the YZ and decided to pick this guy up. We're gonna make it into a dual sport little adventure bike. It's gonna be super rad. Already got a bunch of parts on the way here. There's actually some sitting in my garage to make it all street legal and everything. Got a great deal on it. It's in pretty okay shape. You know, it's 2004, so it's gonna be a little bit beat up, but there's some good parts on here. So we're gonna go through, I'll just kind of show you some video of what the bike's got on it now. Runs great. It's got the electric start button, which was absolutely primo. So yeah, I'll show you kind of what we're working with now. I'm gonna do a whole build series on how I'm turning this thing into a street legal little mini adventure bike. Probably gonna style it kind of after the YZ I had. So let's see what we got working here. So as you can see, like I said, it's a little rough. I mean, it's 2004. It's not in great, excellent condition. The grips are fucked. You know, it needs some work, but I think a couple weeks worth of time, couple $100 of money, and we'll have this thing looking pretty good. It'll be a pretty sweet little dual sport. So I'm gonna cruise back to my place and clean up the garage a little bit, and we're gonna start tearing it down. All right, well, I got the holes drilled. That doesn't look great. I'm gonna have to go back and redo those. But it's on and it's even. Oh, that's my biggest concern, is it's on and it's even. So looks good. Just gotta wire up finish up the wiring. That's fine for now, I'll leave that. But yeah, and hopefully we'll have lights. So I've made some good progress. I got tail lights mounted up as well. Got the tail light on. Routed the wiring, haven't connected any of it. This is the main harness here. My big goal was to try to get most of it done, or at least everything mounted up, and then work on the wiring next week, but my bars never came in time, so I'm not really worried about the hand controls, so I guess I'll have to worry about that in another weekend here whenever I have time. But so far it's pretty easy. Tusk makes this pretty good schematic that kind of tells you which plugs into which. So it makes it pretty easy. Just wish I had those headlights or the handlebars to get everything mounted up and all that, but it is what it is. Well, thanks for joining me today in the garage. Hope you guys are excited about this new build. I'm pretty excited for it too. I'm gonna be doing some pretty fun adventures. So pretty much all that's left is to get the handlebars, get everything mounted to the handlebars, all the controls, wire it up, get tires put on, and then we go get it inspected. And then I take it to the DMV and get it registered. And then we're street legal, baby. I'm excited. gonna be fun adventure bike. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna be fun. And of course, there's other things like I gotta get the forks fixed. I gotta get the front brake line, or the front brake is all super squishy. So there's definitely other projects. This isn't just a quick one and done. This is gonna be a couple month progress build. Sorry, I'm gonna struggle here, but yeah, excited about it. Hope you guys are excited about it too. Thanks for watching, checking out the video. See you next time.